McDowell with Vivo Pools and Vivo Spas in Los Angeles, California. I'm going to tell you how to prevent hair clogs in your tub drain. The older tubs might have a suction drain at the bottom of the tub. Make sure you clear this on a regular basis. You can use a skimmer net such as this to simply just scoop it out. So you would skim the hair off at the top, or you can even use this down at the bottom. Newer tubs are going to have the suction coming from the top of the water through the filter such as this. And those might get clogged up with hair and you need to clean those out on a regular basis. The more you use your tub, the more often you'll have to clean your filter, but no less than once every 90 days. I'm Krista McDowell, and that's how you would prevent hair clogs in your tub drain.